Ever wondered how you could make some extra cash in this age of AI and smart technology? Well, you're in for a treat because we're diving into the world of making money through artificial intelligence, also known as AI. It might sound a bit sci-fi, but it's not as complex as it seems. In fact, it's a pretty exciting and accessible opportunity for folks who are curious about the intersection of technology and income. So, whether you're a tech-savvy enthusiast or just someone looking to explore new ways to boost your earnings, stick around. We're about to unravel the secrets and strategies behind making AI work for your wallet. Now here's the deal. Most people haven't caught on to this side hustle yet, but it's one of the easiest ways to leverage ChatGPT and AI technology for profit in 2023. You don't need a PhD in tech or a history of online success. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it ideal for beginners. So, are you curious to discover how to use AI to fatten your wallet? Let's dive in and explore this hidden gem of an opportunity. Hello, and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. First, let's start by visiting Kittl.com. Kittl.com is a nifty tool for creating graphics, and it's got a treasure trove of templates, hundreds of thousands, in fact. Normally, working with these templates would require some serious graphic design skills, but here's the magic. Now, anyone can use them, customize them, and earn money online with their designs. What's even cooler about Kittl is that it doesn't stop at just offering a vast library of templates. It's got AI technology built right into it. So, next on the to-do list is heading over to ChatGPT. It's a fantastic AI tool that's completely free to use. You don't have to reach into your pockets for this one. Once you're in ChatGPT, you can ask it for recommendations like the best books in a specific genre, whether that's top 10 romance novels, business classics, or captivating storybooks. ChatGPT dishes out a list of these literary gems. But here's where the money-making magic happens. You want to check if these recommended books are available on Audible. Audible, by the way, is Amazon's audiobook platform. It's where people go to listen to their favorite reads. So you look up each book to see if it's there, and if it is, that's like finding gold. You've got yourself a potential income source. And guess what? You don't even have to read these books yourself. You're going to turn them into cash, and I'll show you exactly how in a bit. So here's the deal. You want to check if any of those books that ChatGPT recommended are available on Audible. It doesn't matter what kind of books they are, it could be history, business, fishing, gaming, you name it. Let's take one of those books as an example. First, copy the book's title and author's name. Then head back to ChatGPT and ask it to cook up a 2,000-word summary of that book. Paste in the book's title and author too. Now ChatGPT gets to work and it's like magic. It's crafting a whole 2,000-word article about the book right before your eyes. Next up, you go back to Kittl. Now hit the Kittl AI button, that's where their AI magic happens. You describe what you want the AI to create, like tell it to visualize 19th century England from that book. Kittl does its thing, and voila, you've got an image. You can tweak it, add stuff, even make it look a bit mysterious. And the best part, this whole process is generated by ChatGPT, so it's pretty nifty and makes your images unique. You can add more fancy stuff like tags and headlines, but for now, let's focus on just making that image. Once all those paragraphs have their cool images, it's time to put them to good use. Start by downloading these images for digital use and saving them right onto your computer. Now, with an image for each paragraph, let's make them even more interesting. Head on back to Audible, but this time you want to become an affiliate. This is where it gets exciting. Audible pays you $5 when someone signs up for a free account through your referral link. They even get 2 free books when they sign up. So share one of those books you found for free and you earn $5. Nice, right? Here's how it all comes together. First, copy the whole article you got from ChatGPT. Then hop over to medium.com. This place is buzzing with over 100 million people every month, so that's a lot of potential traffic. Make an account, hit that right button, and craft a snazzy summary of the book you're working with. Type the word summary of before the book title. For example, Summary of Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Now, below each paragraph, pop in an image from Kittl, the one that matches that part of the article. You can get creative and add some text to jazz it up. This makes your articles super engaging, and when people stick around to read them, you'll start climbing up those search engine rankings. People will notice, trust me. And when they see they can score free books by clicking the link in your bio, they're likely to give it a shot. So just keep adding these awesome articles and images on platforms like medium.com, and you'll be on your way to making some sweet money through Audible's affiliate program. Easy, right? Here's the deal. When someone's reading a summary of a book, they're probably interested in it, right? So you want to guide them to take action. You can do this by adding a simple message like, "Get this book for free." Make it stand out by making it bold. Then add your special link from Audible so they can grab the book for free from there. When they do, you earn $5 for each person. And guess what? You don't need to be a super salesperson for this. Why does this work? Well, think about it. If someone's reading a summary of a book, they might be thinking about buying it. But now they realize they can get it for free if they sign up through your link. It's a no-brainer, right? You'll want to put this call to action in different parts of your article just in case someone misses it. Don't forget to add some engaging images along the way to keep people interested. Now, the key here is consistency. You'll need to keep doing this with various books because you can generate unlimited summaries with ChatGPT. Plus, there are so many books on Audible to explore. Share them on medium.com and let people know they can get these books for free through your link. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. It takes posting about 10 to 15 or even 20 articles every day to gain traction. Rank higher on Google and get those clicks that lead to making money with this ChatGPT method. So keep at it. All right, folks, we're wrapping this up. But before you go, here's the scoop. If you want to dive into this fantastic ChatGPT method and start making money, you've got to hit that subscribe button right now. Don't miss out on our future videos that'll guide you through the process step by step. You can share this method with your friends, family, and anyone looking to earn some extra cash online. And why should you? Because when you spread the word, you're helping more people discover this incredible opportunity. So hit that like button and share this video. Remember, consistency is key. Don't expect magic from just one article. You've got to be in it for the long run, posting 10 to 15 or even 20 articles every single day. That's how you'll gain traction, rank higher on Google, and start attracting those clicks that'll fill your pockets. So join us on this journey, subscribe, like, and share, and let's make money together with the ChatGPT method. Thanks for watching The Money Hustle. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and be sure to turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more money-making tips. Your financial journey starts here. Until next time, keep hustling.